Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Crypto Slim, aka Cardano Slim, and on this channel, I like to cover neat little projects and updates that are going on within the Cardano community. Now today I'm going to be covering an update on mermADA's token minting tool. You may have seen my video on that a few days ago. And if you're not familiar with mermADA, please go on over to her Twitter, follow her at _mermADA. She also runs the Tails Cardano stake pool, so if you have not staked your ADA with a stake pool yet, going into your yeah, it's a tongue twister. Going over to your ROI or data list wallet, click delegation list, type in Tails, and delegate to Metro Mermaids. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get to this tool is click on Switch to Custom Metadata. That's mainly if you're going to be minting an NFT or something to that effect. If you're just doing a fungible token, you can stay on this page. But if you're doing an NFT, click over to Switch to Custom Metadata. The first piece you're going to want to fill in is the NFT short ticker name. We're going to call this Slim FUD. And if you don't know what the short ticker name is, when you go over to your ROI wallet and go to send funds, when you drop down the selected asset, this right here, RTQ in space final, that's what the ticker name is going to be. So we'll go ahead and give the NFT name Slim FUD 000. We'll actually name it, like it's in the series. And the next piece is going to be our receive address. Just going into your ROI wallet, copy your address from the receive, and paste it on into here. Now, the next part is going to be the metadata, and this is the more difficult part. I actually did have some issues with this, and I recommend that everybody find a good JSON editor out online. I'll leave a link below for that as well. That's really what helped me. Now, one of the things you do want to remember with the JSON editors is when you copy and paste stuff into here, it may not exactly work right. You may actually have to go through and retype your quotes. That's exactly what I had to do. The code was erroring prior to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy our metadata over, and we're going to actually paste it into here. Now, having it in a format is a lot easier, so I do recommend that for everybody. But these fields here, you're not going to want to change. The name is, again, going to come from the token name up top. And for the image, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to upload our image to the IPFS system. Now, the best way to do that I've found is by going over to pinata.cloud, signing up for an account, and uploading it to there. Once you upload that picture, which I've done ahead of time here, you're going to get an IPFS CID. That's what you're going to want to copy. Now, when we come back on over to the token minting, you're going to want to go ahead and where it says image here, IPFS, : / it's all one line. We're going to want to then paste that CID right in here. Make sure that your quotes didn't move or anything like that, and it must look just like this. Now, this is not a URL that will work in your browser, and it shouldn't. This is just normal metadata. Now, from what we understand, this is going to be the next standard in the NFT marketplaces, and it might be a good idea to add a display name, a serial number, potentially even a media or MIME type, a copyright, and a version number. That's what I'm doing here. Now, one of the last things you're going to want to do is make sure that you're only minting one, and then I recommend that you lock the policy, and this prevents any more from being minted of that type. Then we're going to go ahead and click Create Token. Oh, invalid token name. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to have to change that. A to Z only, no characters, so we'll go SlimFUD 000. All right, now that we've refreshed and we've got all the fields filled back out and we have only alphanumeric characters, no special characters, we're going to go ahead and mint one of these tokens. Create token. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and just wait for the payment wallet address to appear. All right, and once that appears, you're going to want to go ahead. We're going to copy it, and we're going to come over to the ROI wallet, put it in, and we're going to send our 3 ADA on over to it. All right, now that we sent it, let's go back to the web page, and we're going to wait for this to say that our token has been minted. Another place we could also watch is pool.pm/tokens. As soon as it mints, we'll see it pop up over on the left-hand side here. But the best thing is to just kind of watch the mermaid page. All right, now that it's completed, let's again go back over. We'll check pool.pm/tokens. Finally showed up on the pool.pm/tokens, and there you go, SlimFud000. I've got an NFT. You can also double check that you received it by going on over to your Yoroi wallet and dropping down the most recent transaction, and you should see your NFT name over in the amount as well. If you guys have any questions, go below. Let me know what you think. mermADA is doing some great work for the community here, so please go on over, give her some followers, and use her tool. Until next time, folks, over and out.